Dragon's Hiccups. Dippy the dragon has hiccups. Dragon hiccups. Every time he went hic, fire came out of her mouth. Dippy's friend wanted to help her. Everyone went to Dippy's house for lunch. Dippy took some tips out of the oven. Yum, he said. But then, hic, said Dippy. Oh no, everyone said. So, they all went to Sal's house for lunch. Here was Sal, and she gave Dippy some cake. But then hic, said Dippy. Oh no, said Sal. Hold your breath, said Sal. That all stopped the hiccups. Dippy held her breath, her face went red. But then, hic, said Dippy. Fire came out again. Oh no, said Sal, my table. We can't rid of your hiccups, said her friend. Close your eyes. Dippy closed her eyes. When he opened them, everyone was gone. No one wants to be my friend, she said sadly. Everyone jumped out at Dippy. Boom, they shouted. Dippy goes, ah, they died. But then hic, said Dippy. A fire came out of her mouth. Her friends got out of the way just in time. Didn't work, said Dippy. Dippy felt sad. I'm sorry, she said. I need to drink some water, said her friend. Dippy ran to the kitchen. She put her head in a sink and gulped down the water. Ah, that's better, Dippy said. Everyone waited. No hiccups there. Said Dippy waited and waited. My hiccups have gone, said Dippy. Hooray, shouted him. Then hic, said Dippy. The end.